Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about savings, okay? So I'm just gonna go straight to the video. Recently, if you guys follow my channel, I posted a video about the EcoFlow, the Delta 2, which was an awesome price. I think it was like 900 and some, 989 or some, where it comes with two solar panels, 100 watts each. And I think that didn't last really long. But for those of you who doesn't need that much of power, you can get this River 2 Max. This one has a 512 watt hours, and it does have the newer battery type, the LiFePO4. And it says right here, 1 hour fast charging up to 1,000 watts of solar output, solar generator, solar panel optional for outdoor camping, RVs, and home use. As you can see here, its listed price is $600, but now if you click on the apply the $180 coupons and always look under the extra savings promotions, you can see here, if you add both of the items together, it's gonna come with one 110 watt solar panel. So $420 plus tax. I would say about maybe $460 or under $500, and you got a good set of little power station where you can use to charge all your devices. You can see here it tells you power up to 11 devices, 4 AC outlets. That's pretty good. 1 USB Type C port and 3 USB Type A ports. Those are like obsolete. Nobody uses those. It has like the DC outlet as well, the 5521, and 1 car outlet. So you can take this with you, and then you can while in the car you can charge it in the car, or you can use the AC outlet to charge this, or you can use the solar panel that comes with it in this scenario to charge it. Okay, and let's look a little bit more. Here it says for phone, the 10 watts, it can charge up to 41 charges, and refrigerator 120 watt hours. Right here, it's gonna give you 3 hours. So if there's an outage, I live in California, and with Southern California Edison, and we don't get a lot of power outage, and if we do, it ranges about 15 minutes to 45 minutes max. So this one is covered up to 3 hours. Okay, so that way you know for sure your food will not be spoiled. And if you're gonna use it with a blender, 500 watt blenders, you can use it for 1 hour, and rice cooker up to 1,000 watt, 0.4 hours. So most likely it's not going to be compatible with because my rice cooker, it takes about 52 minutes, and there's only the 0.4 hours. And it does have the the X boost, so it can power up to 1,000 watt devices. And here it says built-to-last battery. It will you can charge it over 3,000 cycles. And what it means is you can charge it up all the way to 100%, and then you can discharge it all the way to 0%. The older battery type, yeah, you really can't do that. And it's recommended you only charge up to about 80%, and you only discharge it about maybe no more than 60% of the battery. Otherwise, you're going to kill the battery. And this one right here is it has a newer battery, and it comes with a 5 years warranty. Okay, that kind of warranty, you know that EcoFlow was standing behind the product, so it's a peace of mind. Okay, some of them out there that I'm pretty sure you can get a cheaper one for maybe $100, $200, but for the 5 years warranty and for the EcoFlow name brand, you can't get any better one right here. So as I mentioned earlier, you can use the AC outlet to charge a portable power station, or you can use a solar if you happen to be camping outside, or live at a cabin or something, or you can also use the car to charge it. There we go. This one you can even use the USB Type C to charge it up too. So many ways you can charge it up. So I think this is recently came out, so that's why you don't see a lot of ratings. But 9 ratings so far, 4 out of 5 stars. And I'm not going to read over all this stuff. I'll just list everything in the description part, so that way you guys can, if you guys need to read it, you guys can do that at your own time. But other than that, for $420, you get the power stations as well as the solar panels. I think that's a pretty awesome deal. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. If you happen to save money or happen to be able to make the purchase off of this, and please feel free to give it a like. And if you love the channel, make sure you subscribe. It's going to help out the channel a lot, and I'll continue to make more videos like this to all the peoples out there. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.